I'm back in the garage, trying to keep y'all from breaking shit on your new Bronco. Everybody's just a fucking animal out there, aren't you? I see so many videos where people are showing how to replace this because they broke it taking it off. I'm gonna show you how not to break it, and then you're gonna hit that little button up there that says thanks. You can throw me a couple bucks because I saved you a $30 piece of plastic that you don't have to replace. And you can hang Molle from it. Okay, so stick around because I'm gonna flip this over and give you close-up macros on where the clips are and why people are breaking them, besides not knowing what they're doing. Here's why people are breaking it. They don't know which way or how to remove this. There are two clips over here that are getting broken the most. You break those, this thing's gonna fall off and end up on a trail somewhere. There are three clips over here which have metal on the clips which keep this in. The trick is you want to start right down here, and you want something small enough, narrow enough to get underneath there. If you don't have a pry tool, get one. Links will be in the description. But if you don't, use your medical insurance card. Get underneath there. That's all you need to get started. Then once you're started, just slide up on here. Boom, 1, 2, 3. It's that easy. Here are these two clips. They clip in here and here. These things will break. I'll show you in the close-up macros. There's another clip right here which you really want to use to center and start this up there, and then you can slide this over that way. And then these, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, these got metal on the outside. These you'll never break, you'll never replace them unless you do something stupid. I just did this because I'm just playing around. I doubt they'll stay on there, but let's put this back. That piece right here goes right up in there. That's your kind of like keeper tab. And then slide those underneath there. Start at the top. Middle, bottom, and you're in. Just like new. Okay, here's your close-ups that the other channels are not showing you. This is the back of that door panel. It's all plastic. This is the upper right corner plastic tab that keeps the panel from sliding up too far, I guess. And these are the three tabs on the left side of the panel. They have a metal outside spring steel clip on it, and that's what keeps these things on the door. These are the plastic tabs on the right. These are the ones that people are breaking because you're prying from the right side when you don't know where to start from. So I'll fix that for you. All right, click like, click subscribe. All right, so don't forget, you remember the deal at the beginning of the video. Go hit the thanks button and throw me a few bucks. I'm out of here. See ya.